welcome to Nova Metron, and it's show time with Dilan. This video, the reason I'm making this video is that sometimes what I always felt is that any marketer who faces an issue to give an access to their employee, or maybe you are running an agency, right? And your client asks you to, oh hey, how can I give you an access to your page and etc. Any asset, right? This video is on how to give an access to any of your employee or anyone using your page. So this is specific video is about giving access from the page, right? So first of all, you have to go to your page. Let's suppose this is a page, kids clothing, and you have to click over here on switch. So just simply click on switch. That's how you will be redirected to your page and you have an access to give any access to anyone. So okay, from there you have to simply go to this settings, click over here on the left side settings, and you will see this page. Right from here, just simply search for page access like this. So you will see this option, page access with the key. Just simply click on it, right? And when you click on page access, simply click over here, and here you go. So what you can do, you can give anyone an access with specific task, or maybe someone with an admin access, right? Simply click here, click next, and you can search for any profile, just for example. So like this. And here you can see that if you have to give a full access to that person, simply turn this button on, or if you want to give limited access to that person, to that employee, just simply click on give access. So once you do this, they will get a notification either on their email, or they have to go to this page. Once they go to this page of the brand, they will see an option for there that, hey, you got an invitation from this XYZ person, and then they can simply accept the invitation and they will have that access. So that's how your employee, or anyone, your clients can give access to their pages. Thank you. That's all for today, and thank you so much for